Sige na, kuya. Una ba nakahan?
Absent na lang.
Ay, present ko. Okay, ito.
Ben, saan kaya attendance? Extra na po.
Oh, the mga
May pagkakas na.
Okay, ano ka rin? Price may
Okay, everybody stand. Okay, Miss Corbo, please. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Ryan. Good morning, classmates. Good morning.
Okay, before you sit down, please arrange yourselves and be comfortable in the class. And you see some instructions around you, please be comfortable. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Okay, and the first, check the attendance. Stay present if your name is called. Alvina,
Absent, sir.
Amana,
Present.
Anjing,
Absent, sir.
Angkog,
Absent.
Ara,
Absent.
Asido,
Absent.
Bagales,
Good morning, sir.
Absent.
Paul,
Present.
Bukas,
Present, sir.
Tugado, Kanyas,
Absent.
Barkyo,
Absent.
Diana,
Absent.
Talan,
Absent.
Sinabre,
Absent.
Corbo, Bilag,
Absent.
Lumnapag, Puerto,
Present, sir.
Esma,
present, sir.
Florentino,
Absent, sir.
Gambong, Garbo,
Absent, sir.
Gregory,
Absent, sir.
Banyes,
sir.
Limpag,
Absent, sir.
Tapostales, Sutugan,
Absent, sir.
Bacandos,
Absent, sir.
Manggio,
Present, sir.
Maganyong,
Absent, sir.
Luya,
Absent, sir.
Panaw,
Present, sir.
Sanay,
Absent, sir.
Rosa,
Absent, sir.
Yes,
Absent, sir.
Waya,
Present, sir.
Kakambag,
Absent, sir.
Pator,
Absent, sir.
Chon,
Present, sir.
Bernito,
Present, sir.
Bermingan,
Present, sir.
Sabando,
Absent, sir.
Suprikari,
Absent, sir.
Tayo,
Absent, sir.
Tuyungan,
Absent, sir.
Villamora.
Present, sir.
So I've noticed, no, there are a lot of absences today. Now, who can recall what was our last topic for today? Last meeting. Okay, Corbo.
About health-related business goals and its importance.
Okay, what are those examples of health-related business goals? And its importance,
Okay. The importance of health-related fitness goals includes maintain hydrated, managing stress and anxiety, and of course, maintaining a healthy diet.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Mutio. Now, I've established a classroom rules for our class today, enable for us to have a positive environment. Please read everyone our classroom rules.
Be on time. Raise your hand to speak. Listen to others speak. Show respect to others at all times.
Okay, is our classroom rules clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you ready for our activity? I prepare some energizer for you guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this energizer is called Joyful Movement Challenge. So, you're going to do is to screen or in the monitor. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please everybody stand. Okay. Based on the activity, even as
Okay.
based on the energizer of the activity, what do you think our topic for today? Anyone? Yes, Mr. Alvina?
Sir, I think, sir, our topic for today is all about physical fitness maintenance.
Okay, thank you for your answer, Alvina. Our topic for today is all about physical activities and health-related components. For that, let me introduce our learning objectives. Everybody, please read.
At the end of 45 minutes discussion, the student should be able to identify the suggested activities of each health-related components, explain the importance and benefits of each health-related components, and perform a physical activity based on the health-related fitness components.
Okay. Do you familiar with the health-related components?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I prepare some activity for you to know what are the health-related components and its activities. This activity is called
Ladies students.
read the directions, students.
Students will be divided into two groups. Students are tasked with categorizing a list of suggested activities based on health-related fitness components. They will have 3 minutes to place the given choices.
Okay. Now, this is the group 1 and this is will be the group 2. You have 3 minutes only to place the activities inside the chart. Okay, form a circle. Okay, your 3 minutes starts now. What are you done?
Yes,
Okay, you have things your words.
Good morning, teacher. I'm sorry I'm late.
Why are you late, Mr. Catalan?
Uwi ko na kamata, sir. Tapos bigyan pa ko.
Okay, I understand you, but it is our responsibility to come to school early, Mr. Catalan.
Okay po, sir.
Okay, class.
Tapos yan, sir.
Okay, place your answer group 2 here.
Now,
Okay, let's first check the work of group 1. Before that, let us know what is cardiovascular endurance. Everybody please read.
The ability of the respiratory and circulatory system to effectively deliver oxygen to the heart and to the working muscles during exercise.
Okay, since these activities can help us to, these activities is related to cardiovascular endurance because cardiovascular endurance delivers oxygen to our body. It is the ability of the respiratory system to deliver oxygen to our body when we are working or we are doing some activities. Next, we have flexibility. Please read everyone.
This is the ability to move a body part through a full range of motion at a joint. The sit and reach and zipper tests are commonly used to measure flexibility.
Okay. Now, who can perform touch toe or side bend? Or who know in AD what is side bend? Since not, I have a picture here. This is the sample of side bend. Okay, please everybody stand. Can we perform side bend? Just 2 attempts now. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2. That is
Side bend.
okay. Side bend is a flexibility activities because side bend is moving a body part to a full range of motion. Mas stretch yung ano natin dito. Pag meron tayong good flexibility, mas madali tayo makagawa ng side bend. Next, muscular strength. Please read.
Refers to the maximum amount of force where muscles can exert against an opposing force.
Okay, I observed that push-ups and planking have the same answers, right? Because push-up and planking, usually we uses force when we do push-ups and planking, right? Usually our muscles work will exert when we do push-ups and plankings. That's why muscular strength and its activities are push-ups and plankings. Okay, Mr. Puerto,
Yes, sir.
can you do push-ups at least 3 or 2 lang?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Puerto. Next, muscular endurance. Please read everyone.
The ability of the muscles to work over an extended period of time without fatigue.
Okay, here in muscular endurance, dito matitest kung gaano ka lakas ang ating sarili. For example, sino naglalaro dito ng football? Okay, si Joss. Naglalaro si Joss ng football. At ako rin, may experience nila ko ng football. Pag meron kang magandang muscular endurance, pag ikay tatakbo, hindi ka madaling hihingalin at hindi mangangalay ang inyong paa. Kasi yung football bawal sa init at kailangan mo tumakbo para makapuntos. That's why muscular endurance is very important not only in the athletes but to everyone to avoid fatigue when we do such activities. Okay, are the cognitive components clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, since it is clear to you, we can now proceed to our activity 2.
Substantively,
The direction.
the students are tasked with explaining the importance and benefits of health-related components as they engage in the recommended activities for each component, while continuing to work in the same group.
Okay, in this activity, you're going to select 1 by 2 representatives one representative and two representative. Ang isa is dito sa cardiovascular endurance and isa po sa feasibility. And then for group 2, you need two representatives to explain the importance and benefits of muscular endurance and muscular strength. The benefits, when we say benefits, ito yung mga benepisyo pag tayo ay naggagawa ng activities such as mountain climbing. Ano ang benefits niya? Ano ang benefits ng cardiovascular endurance pag ginawa natin ang mountain climbing? Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can I go off, sir?
Okay. Okay, you have leave the time to select your representative and gather your ideas. Just two representatives each group. For group 1, you have cardiovascular endurance and flexibility. Group 2, muscular strength and endurance. Okay, you have na representative na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we start with the group 1. Okay, come here in front, please, Alvarez.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Whatever late, please, Mr. Tayo. Okay, next time, please arrive at the class early, ha? Okay, you may now join the class. Okay, please continue.
Once again, good morning, everyone. We are the representative of So, based from the discussion earlier, I think the benefits of flexibility is that first, it improves our body posture. Second is it decreases the risk of injury.
Okay, thank you.
And the benefits of cardiovascular endurance, it improves our heart and lungs functioning, plus nag-increase din ang ating air supply. So kagaya ko, me and my family ay nag-running kami no, like while running every day, nag-increase yung air supply namin kasi may napapansin kaming nag-change every day while running. Like, nung una, madali kami mahinga. Tapos, when we practice it every day, hindi na kasi nag-increase yung aming air supply. Yun lang po at maraming.
Okay, thank you. Let's give a hand to our everyone. Now, this is very good too. Miss Action and Miss Mr.
Good morning, everyone. We are the Muscular strength is important because it helps us strengthen our muscles and it also helps us keep a healthy weight, and also it reduces the risk of weight.
Muscular endurance defines as the ability of our muscles to perform certain muscular activities for a long period of time without undue any fatigue. The benefits and importance of muscular endurance includes improve, of course, our muscular strength and the muscles in our muscles that usually perform certain activities like cycling. And of course, it improves our overall well-being as well as our daily lifestyle.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Miguel. Round of applause for him. Now, these health-related components is very important for us, not only in when we do activities, but in our daily life. If we have good cardiovascular endurance, flexibility, muscular endurance, and muscular strength, we can do activities without any Now, I prepared some activity for you. Are you excited for our next activity?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This activity is just one lang ha. One for cardiovascular endurance, facility, muscular endurance, and muscular strength. You're going to select one of those activities each. You're going to perform it only in 1 minute. Okay? You have the same group, group 1 and group 2. Okay, you have 2 minutes to practice your routine. I have prepared some modules for you. Follow. I don't worry ha. I prepared some music. Okay? Okay na ba class? You have only 1 minute to discuss. Okay, your 2 minutes has ended. Okay, let's wants to go perform first. Okay, group 1 na, group 1. Where is your... Okay, group 2, please. Ito na tayo. Okay, ready na ba group 1?
Yes, sir.
5, 6,
Ano kasi Jitsun?
okay, just give hands for the... Next, we have... Okay, are you ready? Ready na? Now here are your scores. For group 1, for cardiovascular endurance, I gave you 4 points. Flexibility 4, muscular endurance 5, and muscular strength 4. So 4 plus 4, 8 plus 5, 9 plus 4, 16, 17 points. The cardiovascular endurance, I gave you 4, flexibility 5, muscular strength endurance 4, and muscular strength 5. 4 plus 5 equals 9 plus 4, 13 plus 5, 18. You have 18. Now, let's proceed to our next activity. Okay? So I have some cards here. If I raise the card in a specific components, you're going to answer what are the benefits of these components. Okay? Just answer or raise your hands if you want to answer. If none, I'll be calling a name. Okay, first we have, what do you think are the benefits of cardiovascular endurance? Anyone? Okay, Miss Bohol.
Cardiovascular endurance po, sir, it improves our heart and lungs functioning, and also it increases our oxygen or air supply po, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next, muscular strength. What are the benefits of muscular strength? Yes, Sean?
It strengthens our muscles and also it helps us in our healthy body weight.
Okay, thank you. Have 2 left. Okay, Miss Boliares.
It improves body posture and reduces stability.
Okay, thank you for your answer, Miss Boliares. And last but not least, we have muscular endurance. Anyone? Okay, Miss Teresa.
It improves our muscular endurance, sir, para kung engage tayo na activity which ini-improve niya yung muscular endurance para hindi tayo kailangan ng fatigue at ano na tayo ng activity na hindi tayo apoy, sir.
Okay, thank you. And again, what are those health-related components?
Muscular endurance, cardiovascular endurance, flexibility, and muscular strength.
Okay, wala ba kayong nandilituhan sa ating mga components?
Wala.
Or are the components clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now get 1 sheet of paper. Answer these, please. Okay, you done na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. Pass it to front. Okay.
Lahat.
Okay, for your assignment, please read.
Personal reflection. Choose one fitness component you think you are strong in and one you want to improve. Write a short paragraph explaining why you feel this way and how you can work on the area you need to improve.
Okay, do you understand or do you have any clarifications for our assignment?
Answer.
Okay, please.
Sir, dalang ko ipapas yung assignment.
Okay, since our schedule next week is okay na ba kayo Monday, next Monday or
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Friday?
Asa yung utang, sir?
Okay, you write your answer and name on one paper. Unwritten guys ha. Okay lang i-include but mas okay if handwritten siya. Okay?
Ay, sir, nandito ako sa endurance. Ano pa ba yung mountain climbing tapos running, sir? Ano pa ba yung another activities?
Okay. For cardiovascular endurance, not only mountain climbing and running can IR the activities. We can also have sprinting, mag-sprint tayo or mag-walk na tayo every day. Diba? If mag-walk kayo around, for example, mag-walk kayo here sa campus, diba? Pag malayo yung nilalakad natin, ma-feel natin na hinihinga tayo. That means that our cardiovascular endurance is weak or mahina yung natin. And then, we can also improve that by doing some exercises. Okay, another question is clarification. Okay, Miss Paul.
Sir, pwede sir, kahit ilang paragraph lang sir, like, wala pong limit.
Okay, just write it on a one paragraph lang or a short answer. Okay, do you have any clarifications for our algorithm components?
Answer.
Assignments natin. Yes, Mr. Harris.
Can you give, sir, the major difference of situations as
Okay.
kind of related to the physics or of muscle?
Yes. The muscular strength is this is the ability when you do activities, mag-exert yung muscles natin. This is usually used force. And the muscular endurance, kung gaano natin katagal, masustain. Kasi muscular endurance is the ability to do activities over extended period of time without getting any fatigue. Okay, anyone, do you have any clarifications? Para natin?
None na, sir.
Okay, since none, you guys can escalate the day, goodbye class.
Good.